What's up everyone? AC back in the YOLO Texas studio for another edition of YOLO Texas Must Haves Tech Edition, and we have two gadgets for you that will satisfy you and that blogger in your life. You know, with social media, you just want to take quality photos, and sometimes we just also miss a physical copy as well. So we got the thing just for you. It's a Canon IVY Cliq, okay? So it's basically an instant camera photo printer at the same time. Basically, what I like to call it is a fancy Polaroid camera, but this one is definitely higher quality. And you get an SD card as well, so you can transfer everything and you can have it a digital copy for all of your social media posts as well. So let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, look. Okay, so it's nice and small. I love that. And it looks pretty simple. Easy as 1, 2, 3, turn it on, power it on, point, click, print, right? Say hi, camera crew. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, how cute. Okay, point, click, print. How cute. Okay, I'm gonna let that print. Cool. It really is like a Polaroid, but you don't have to shake it, you don't have to wait, it just instantly comes. Probably give it a couple of seconds, let it print. Oh, y'all, look at our crew, they're so cute. Say hi. So how cool is this? Point, click, print, and you have an instant photo right in front of you, like this one of the ceiling. Okay, so for our second gadget, it is all about creating that content at home, and quality lighting will take your game to the next level. So we have here a portable vlogging kit. So basically it's a ring light with a tripod attached to it. All you have to do is just put your phone in there and press record. So let's go ahead and check it out. So set up your tripod. So you're gonna loosen on this side, and then which allows you to lift up here, okay? And this is where you're going to attach your little holder, your phone holder. And you just swivel it on. No? Oh, this way. Okay, it's a lesson. You're gonna swivel it on. From here, this is where you're gonna place your ring light, okay? So you're just gonna plug that in and tighten it right here. See, I got this. Put your phone. And so this is really cool because you can go ahead and lift this to adjust your phone. Because some people have the 8, some people have the 9, some people have Androids. So you can plug that in and then let the magic happen. Power. Hey! Yay! Stop texting me. Grandma? Grandma? I'll give this a shot also in my house so you can definitely see what we're talking about, the different adjustments here, but you have your blue setting, you have your orange warm setting, and then you have that nice white setting so you can change in the different, atmospheres and wherever you are vlogging in your life. All right, so this is definitely great for your next Zoom meeting. Take it to a whole new level, and this is just really fun that you can just have some instant photos right in your hands.